the idli, add 1 teaspoon oil, then add cumin seeds, add some onions, 1 small onion, saute well, then add ginger garlic paste along with green chilies. Turn to pinkish. Add veggies, cabbage, capsicum, carrot. Saute well. Saute well till the water get evaporated. Then in the other bowl, add wheat flour. Then take some rava. Then rice flour. Add salt as per your taste. Add all spices and then add curd or a yogurt. You can take yogurt also. And with the curd only we are going to knead this dough for the preparation of the idlis. Now add all the prepared veggies. Pre-cooked veggies. Now knead a dough. Add Eno for the fermentation. Now grease your hand and make a idli shape balls. We need to make it to put it in the molding. Grease your hands well. Now grease the idli maker also. Prepare all the balls in idli shape. Grease it well so that they will not get stick. Now place the plates. After plating, put all these in the steamer for 20 minutes in low flame. Idlis are ready with us.